Namaskar children, I Shraddha ma'am once again welcome you to our English class. Let us start our class with the prayer. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. कराग्रे वाला कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम् प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Turn your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes slowly. Namaskar children. Do you remember what we did in our last class? Let us see what we did in our last class. We did matching of the capital to small alphabets along with their sound and the vocabs. Capital letters to small letters along with their sounds and vocabs. Now today children, what we are going to do is, today children, our classwork will be page number 11 and page number 12. Page number 11 and page number 12 of our Nurture Course A book. Of our Nurture Course A textbook. Once again, page number 11 full page and page number 12 full page. And what will be your homework children? It will be on page number 13 full page, page number 13 and page number 14 full page. Okay children, now let us see what do we have to do in this. This is phonic review. Phonic review, page number 11, and our heading says color the pictures that begin with the given sound. Color the pictures that begin with the given sound. इसके पहले हमने क्या देखा था children? We had seen page number 3, 4 and 5. Page number 3 where we did the matching. We searched for the partner of capital letter A, B, C, D. Small and capital letters we did. Today what we are going to do is, with the help of the phonic sound, we will recognize the pictures. We will recognize the pictures. So shall we begin children? So shall we start students? As I have always said, you will do the classwork along with me and homework with your mama. So what will you first write children? We will write here the date and CW. Again in the next page you will write the date and CW. Parents, please let them write the date and CW. Do not help them to do that. They will now be able to write the date on their own and classwork homework on their own. So what will you need for this activity children? We will need our crayons. We will need our crayons. So should we begin now? Which letter is this children? This is letter A. And what is the sound of letter A? A says A. A says A. So should we start? The first picture is of ant. The first picture is of ant. And. So do you hear the sound of letter A in this children? Yes, we hear the sound of letter A. So what will we do? We will color the ant. We will color the ant. The picture of ant. 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 What is the sound the ant says? Ant. Ant. Okay. Let us see the next picture. Which picture is this everyone? Yes, this is the picture of an ice cream. Ice cream. Do you hear the sound of A or A anywhere? Ice cream. No, I hear the sound of I. So we will not color this picture, right? Let's see the next picture. This is the picture of an axe. 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 Do you hear the sound of A or A? Yes, I hear the sound of X. X. So what will we do, children? Yes, you are right. We will color this picture. So let us color the X. X. You will use only the crayon colors, not the sketch pen. You can even use the pencil colors or crayon colors only. Do not use the sketch pen. Sketch pens are not meant for you. Okay, now let us look to the next alphabet. Which letter is this, children? This is letter B. Capital letter B, small letter b. And what is the sound B makes? B says B. B says B. Now let us look at the vocabs, children. Which picture is this? This is the picture of a dog. Dog. Do you hear the sound of B or B? No, I hear the sound of D. D. Dog. So we will not color this picture. Okay, which is the next picture? It is of a ball. Ball. What do you hear when I say ball? I hear the sound of B. So what will we do? We will color this picture, right? We will color this picture. So let us start, children. Color the picture of ball. Color the picture of ball. 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 And remember, children, try and color within the given picture. Try and color within the given picture. Ball. Ball. So we have finished coloring the ball. Which is the next picture, children? Do you sleep in this? Yes, this is the picture of a bed. Bed. What do you hear when I say bed? I hear the sound of bed. Bed. So we will color this picture as well. Bed. Bed. Okay. Now let us see our next alphabet, children. It is the small and the capital letter C. What does C say? C says K. C says K. Let us look at the first vocab. Oh, it is a yummy cake. I guess it is someone's birthday today. That is the reason there is a cake ordered here. So what do you hear, children, when I say cake? Cake. Do you hear the sound of C? Yes. So we have to color the picture of cake. 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 I hope you all like eating cake. We order the cake during someone's birthday. So let us color the picture of cake. You can color using different colors also, and you can use the same color also as you wish. You can make it colorful, or you can use one same color. Okay, children? Cake. Cake. What is the sound you hear when I say cake? I hear the sound of cake. Cake. So here we are done. We have colored the picture of cake. Now let us see which picture is this, children. Yes, this is a domestic animal which you see near your surrounding. This is the picture of a cat. Cat. I hear the sound of C. Cat. Therefore, we will color the picture of cat. Cat. As and when you are doing coloring, children, you have to, along with that, say the sound. Cat. 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 Cake. Cat. Okay. Let us see the last picture, children. What is the sound of this last picture? It says bag. Bag. What do you hear? Do you hear the sound of letter C? When I say Bag. No, we hear the sound of B. We hear the sound of B. Therefore, we will not color this picture. This is the sound of B. Bag. So, what did we color for letter C? We colored the cake and cat. Okay, moving on to the next letter is letter D. Letter D. D says D. D says D. Okay, let us see the first picture. Which picture is this, children? Have you ever seen this anywhere? Yes, he is a community helper. He is a community helper and we call him doctor. Doctor. Do you hear the sound of D? Doctor. Doctor. So therefore we will color the picture of doctor. 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 We will color the picture of doctor. Very good. You can now recognize the sounds well. But if you cannot, keep practicing, children. And what is the color of the coat? What is the color of the coat the doctor wears? It is white color. Either you can do white color or you can leave it as it is. Yes, children? What does the doctor use? The doctor uses the stethoscope to hear our heartbeat. ये देख रहे हो, ये stethoscope है, इससे वो हमारी heartbeat check करते हैं. So what did we color? We colored the picture of doctor. Doctor. Okay, which animal is this, children? This is the animal deer. Deer. And where does it live? You see this in the jungle. You see it in the jungle. So do you hear the sound of D? Yes. Deer. Deer. So let us color the picture of deer. 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 As I have said, as you are coloring, you will say the name of the picture and you will color it. You will say the name, the sound of the picture and color it. Do not just color it, children. You should remember the sound also of the alphabets. Therefore, what do you have to do? You have to say the name and recognize the sounds also. Recognize the sounds also. Okay, moving on. Which is the last picture, children? This is your hand. Your hand. So what do you hear when I say hand? Hand. I hear the sound of H. I hear the sound of H. Therefore, we will not color this picture. We are coloring the picture of letter D. Okay, what did we color? Doctor, deer. Now, next letter is a vowel. Next letter is a vowel. And do you remember? The vowels have two sounds. All the vowels have two sounds. What is the sound E makes? Elephant. Elephant. Therefore, we will color the picture of an elephant. We will color the picture of an elephant. 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 And which is the other sound E gives? E gives the sound of E. And E says E says E says I know you people are loving this activity because it is of color. आप लोगों को coloring, drawing वो सब बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना? Yes. Now let us see which is the next picture. It has the pear, orange, apple, banana and grapes. And what are all these? These are fruits. These are fruits. So do you hear the sound of E? Do you hear the sound of E when I say fruits? Fruits. No, I hear the sound of F. I hear the sound of F. Therefore, we will not color this picture. Okay. What is the next picture, children, on page number 11? The last picture is engine. Engine. So, yes, we will color this picture because it gives us the sound of E. Engine. E. Engine. E. Engine. इंजन क्या होता है? कहाँ होता है इंजन? ट्रेन के आगे होता है इंजन. इट पुल्स द ट्रेन. इट पुल्स द ट्रेन. इंजन. इंजन. Jane. Done, children? This was our page number 11 where we saw the sound and the vocabs of letter A, B, C, D and E. And in these, A and E are vowels. Now turn your page, children. Move on to page number 12. Page number 12 of our textbook. Now on page number, children, 12, what we are going to do? Write CW and today's date. And what does the heading say? Circle the pictures that begin with the given sound. You have to see the sound of these letters and you have to circle the pictures matching with these sounds. So, should we start? On this page, children, we will use our pencil and eraser, not the crayons, okay? Because it says circle the pictures. Because it says circle the pictures, okay? Which is our first alphabet, children? Yes, it is letter F. And what is the sound F says? F says, so let us see the first picture, children. Fox, fox. Do you hear the sound of F? Yes, we hear the sound of F. Therefore, what will we do? We will circle the picture of fox. Okay. Next is cat. Cat. Do you hear the sound of F? No. So, we will not circle this picture. Okay. Next picture. Which animal is this, children? Yes, it is a frog. And what did I say before? I had told you while we were seeing the alphabet F vocabs that frog is an animal which can live in water also and out of the water also. So children, what do you hear when I say frog? Frog. Do you hear the sound of F? Frog. Frog. Yes, therefore we will circle the picture of frog. So F, what did we circle? F, fox, fox, frog, frog. Okay, let us see the next picture. Which letter is this, children? This is letter G, capital and small letter G. G says G. G says G. Let us see the first picture, children. This is the picture of a firefighter. This is the picture of a firefighter. And yes, just like a doctor, firefighter is also a community helper. Community helper. What does the firefighter do, children? Yes, it puts off fire. जहाँ पे भी आग लगी होती है, हम फायर इंजन को बुलाते हैं and firefighters put off fire. But do you hear the sound of G? When I say firefighter, firefighter. No, we hear the sound of F. Therefore, we will not circle this picture. Let us see the next picture, children. Which picture is this? Yes, just like the other girls, just like you people, she is a cute little girl. Girl. Do you hear the sound of G? Girl. G. Girl. Yes. So we will circle this picture. G. G. Girl. G. Girl. And what is this, children? The favorite of you people? Yes, these are green grapes. Green grapes. G. Green. G. Grapes. Therefore, we will circle the picture of grapes also. Okay. Next is letter H. What is the sound H says? H says H. H says H. So let us see the first vocab. What is this? This is a farm animal. Horse is a farm animal. And we also can ride on the horse. आप लोग जब जाते होंगे बाहर तो horse riding करते हो ना? This is horse. Horse is a farm animal. And what do you hear when I say horse? I hear the sound of H. Horse. So we will circle this picture. Horse. And what is this, children? Have you seen this? जब हमने vocabs देखे थे letter H के, I had shown you this. This is a hammer. A hammer. What do we use the hammer for? We use the hammer to put the nails, to fix nails. So do you hear the sound of hammer? Hammer. Yes, so we have to circle this picture of hammer. What is, and which picture is this, children? The last picture? It is of a doll. All the girls, do you have the doll to play? Yes, it is a toy. What do you hear when I say the doll? Doll. I hear the sound of D. Therefore, we will not circle this picture. We will not circle this picture. Moving on to the next picture. Next alphabet, children, is letter I. I is a vowel. Just like letter A and letter E. Letter A and letter E. I is also a vowel. I is also a vowel. Therefore, it will have two sounds. I and E. So let us see the first picture. Oh my God! Which picture is this, children? Have you seen this animal ever? No, but you must have seen in your cartoons, right? This is the picture of an iguana. Iguana. Do you hear the sound of I? Iguana. So I will circle this picture of iguana. Iguana. Okay, which picture is this, children? Egg. Do you hear the sound of E? No, I hear the sound of egg. Egg. Therefore, I will not circle this picture. Okay, what is this? As I have told you earlier also, this is also a type of house. This is also a type of house. And where is it built? ये कहाँ पे build किया जाता है? जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा बर्फ और बहुत ज्यादा ठंडी होती है. This is an igloo. An igloo. Do you hear the sound of E? Igloo. Therefore, I will circle this picture because I hear the sound of igloo. Igloo. Iguana. Igloo. Okay. Next picture, children. Letter J. J says jug. J says jug. Jug. I hear the sound of jug. So I will circle it. Oh, and what is this, children? Yummy, tasty, sweet juice. And you should always drink only fresh juice. Only fresh juice जो घर पे आपको मम्मा निकाल के देते हैं. पैक जूस जो होते हैं, कैन जूस जो होते हैं, वो हमारे हेल्थ के लिए अच्छे नहीं होते हैं. Therefore, you should always drink the juice, freshly made juice at home. Okay, this is the picture of juice. Juice. Do you hear the sound of J? Yes, so we will circle this picture. Juice. And what are these? These are insects. But which insects are these, children? Yes, these are bees. Bees. Do you hear the sound of J here? No, I hear the sound of bees. Bees. Therefore, I will not circle this picture. Okay, next is capital and small letter K. K says K. K says K. And what is this, children? Yes, this is the bunch of keys. Keys. Do you hear the sound of K? Keys? Yes. Have you seen keys, children? पापा के पास होती होगी, मम्मा के पास घर में होती होगी, कबर्ड की कीज, पापा की ऑफिस की कीज, फैक्ट्री की कीज. यस, कीज. कीज. एंड क्योंकि इसमें 3 कीज है, दैट इज व्हाई वी से bunch of keys. Bunch of keys. And what is this, children? Mud. Mud. I hear the sound of M, not the sound of K. Therefore, I will not circle this picture because this is the picture of mud. Mud. So, we will not circle this picture. Moving on to the next picture. Who is he? Yes, he is the king of his kingdom. King. King. So, I will circle this picture. King. King. So children, this was your classwork. Today's classwork, page number 11 and page number 12 of which book of yours? Nurture Course A book. Now we will move on to our homework part. So what will you do again? You will write here date and you will